Hello everyone. I'm going to be going over the new DroboAI feature. This is called product research. The product research feature is brand new and it is on the $20 plan. You guys get access to on the $20 plan. However, not the auto eBay upload. So you go to the product research. What the fuck is going on with my computer? Hold on. All right. So you're gonna select the account. Make sure you have no tasks running on your account. Mine is paused because I have it on the daily, so we're just gonna select this one anyways. All right, so for the product research, you can actually search through the pool. So like let's do dog toys. You can search the pool and you'll get whatever is in whatever it scrapes, or you can do 10 random and it will pull it up. So it pulled up 10 random, and let's see. In fact, we'll just do them all. So we're gonna research the product. It's gonna automatically research it. It says to skip it. It's just it doesn't really match everything in here or the prices or whatever. It's not worth it. So we'll go to the next one. All right, so this one says it's worth listing. So let's look into it. So it recommends us to target at $19, so 37% profit and an 8% promo rate. Obviously, you don't have to listen to that. So it costs $11 from Amazon, and the average sold is $20. So that means 37% profit to 48% profit range. So automatically set to 37. You can enter your tax rate, so I'll add it to the price. You can change up the profit margins. You'll be able to see the price right there. So we're gonna do that 5%. We'll probably target it around 19. That's okay. So our net profit will be $3 on this item. Yeah, maybe not. We'll do 37. It doesn't matter. It's something you can play around with. So you can also search similar products, maybe to source some cheaper ones. And then you can list it onto your eBay account. If you want to look at more of the research data, right down here. So you can see what just sold. So 439 of them have sold, so $3,000 worth at $7. What is our product? Our product is Rust Metallic Spray. Okay. This one has 267. So these are about the average sold, it seems like. Like if we click on this one right here, this is vinyl spray. So you can price it by going through here. We can also see similar in the Amazon pool to see if we can find any cheaper. Most of them are just groups. Right here, this is a $7 one, so this could work. So what you can do is you can do search similar in pool. Maybe this one is broken. Oh wait, no. Okay, so it already searches it. So our $7 one did not pop up, so we're just gonna copy the listing. Rust Owen. Alright, let's search this one up in the pool. Perfect, $7. So you can research this one. $7. Says its average sold is 37. Let's look more into that. And it doesn't seem like it's averagely sold in 37, maybe in bulk. Maybe not, actually. This is different, so we're not going to price it that high. We're not going to do 200%. profit margin, obviously. We'll do we can price that at 100% profit rate, maybe 80, and then we'll do 5% promotion. So it's going to be about the same price as the one that we just saw. And then you can list it. Oh wait, make sure to select your shipment policy. And it will be uploading the product. So that is the research tool. This is to be able to increase your product's sales. So like let's say if you want a certain category or you just want to increase your sales on your product or on your stores so you can have higher quality products, that is perfect for the research, the product research. So yeah, that is the DroboAI product research. It's pretty cool. It's manual currently. It's going to be added into its own auto, maybe a sniper tool. We don't know yet. But you can also do your own research and then you can also post them. Actually, you should be able to post them still over here. So if we do, or no, in the Amazon. So if we do, let's say, we can put in the cost of the item, for example. So 748. This is just an example, obviously. And then we can search it, dog toys. This is just an example. You can change it to, we'll pull up the data and see what's recently sold or what's listed currently. Similar what in your pools, so you can use these to kind of like list it if you wanted to. So yeah, that is the research, product research on DroboAI. It is advanced. It's really nice. It's all built in. You don't have to leave the website besides when you want to go over here, obviously. So yeah, that is DroboAI product research.